This is how we can go to the device settings on the iPhone. So at first, locate the settings icon indicated by the gear. You can see it looks like this, the gray background most likely. So you can go inside of it if you can find it directly, and if not, scroll all the way to the right and find the app library, in which you should definitely be able to find it or look it up like this. And these are the devices settings, but it is also separated once you get inside to these different sections. So first of all, at the top you have the connectivity section, and so as you can see, it is separated by the little gray area. So the first section is for the connections, right? So you turn on the airplane mode and disconnect yourself entirely, or change the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and so on. The battery is kind of out of place in here, but it's in that section. And below, this is mostly the device settings, right? The general thing tells you information about your phone, the storage, right? So it is sort of like the device care on the Samsung phones. And you can also check for the software updates, and those types of things are part of this. So, you know, the general stuff like data and the time and so on. And there you have another couple of sections, but most importantly, at the bottom, you have the apps, which are not necessarily settings for the device itself, but for every single app separately, which you have installed on your device. So you can find any app, for example, Chrome, in here and make changes for that one. So that's it for me. That was just a little bit of a more basic video, but I make plenty of other tutorials of various different levels. So definitely subscribe so you don't miss anything important, and I'll see you in the future uploads.